The night is fading into gold. Your promise still unfolds. The sky begins to shine with grace. Your mercy fills this place. You turn my darkness into song. You make the weak so strong. Every tear that fell before, you open heaven's door. You lift my soul to see what you prepare for me. Your love forever true. I'll rise again with you. Hope in the dawn, your light is calling on. Every shadow fades away as I lift my heart and pray. Hope in the dawn, your love keeps shining on. Forever I belong. In your hope I am as I lift my heart and pray. Hope in the dawn, your love keeps shining on. Forever I belong. In your hope I am strong. You are the sunrise in my heart, the day you always start. You light the sky with grace, your joy fills this place. Forever you remain, through sunlight and the rain. In you I carry on, my hope in the dawn. Hope in the dawn, hope in the dawn, your light is calling on. Every shadow fades away as I lift my heart and pray. Hope in the dawn, your love keeps shining on. Forever I belong. In your hope I am strong. Hope in the dawn, forever you shine. Hope in the dawn. Grace unending, your love descending. When I fall, you lift me high. You catch my every cry. mercy flows like gentle rain. You wash away my pain. Your kindness deeper than the sea, forever rescuing me. Through ever let me go. Your love forever flows. Your promise still remains. Through joy and through pain. Grace unending, flowing free, forever changing me. Every heartbeat, every sound, your mercy all around. Grace unending, pure and wide, your spirit lives inside. Forever I will be in grace unending. Your light still shines through broken walls. Your name forever calls. You take my past, you make it new. My heart belongs to you. Through valleys deep and skies above, you cover me with love. In every breath I still believe your grace will never leave. You never let me go. Your love forever flows. Your promise still remains. Through joy and through pain. Grace unending, flowing free, forever changing me. Every heartbeat, every sound, your mercy all around. Grace unending, pure and wide, your spirit lives inside. Forever I will be in grace unending. You're the calm inside the storm, the place my heart is warm. You hold me close, you make me whole. You're the anchor of my soul. Forever I will sing of mercy you bring. From now until the end, your grace won't bend. Grace won't bend. Grace unending, flowing free, forever changing me. Every heartbeat, every sound, your mercy all around. Grace unending, pure and wide, your spirit lives inside. Forever I will be in grace unending. Grace unending, forever descending. Grace unending. Your light within, forever shining free. The dawn awakes inside my soul. Your light has made me whole. peace with. Now every breath I take is new, a song that leads to you. Your glory fills the sky, your grace will never die. You move in everything, my soul begins to sing. Light within me, burning bright, you turn my dark to light. Every heartbeat, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Light within me, set me free, your spirit lives in me. Forever I will be with the light within me. With the light within me. The stars above begin to fade, your sunrise fills my days. Every color paints your love, descending from above. Your presence whispers through the breeze, my soul falls to its knees. Ooh, every moment shines so clear when I know you're near. Your glory fills the sky, your grace will never die. You move in everything, my soul begins to sing. Light within me, burning bright, you turn my dark to light. Every heartbeat, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Light within me, set me free, your spirit lives in me. Forever I will be with the light within me. You are the fire inside my veins, the joy through all my pain. Your peace runs deep and wide, forever at my side. I'll shine your love through all I do. My heart belongs to you. The world will finally see your light within me. Light within me, burning bright, you turn my dark to light. Every heartbeat, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Light within me, set me free, your spirit lives in me. Forever I will be with the light within me. Light within me. We'll finally see light within me. Glory arise, light fills the skies. The morning breaks, the colors sing. Creation bows before the King. Your presence moves, your fire shines. Your spirit fills these minds. The heavens glow, the earth proclaims the beauty of your name. Every heart begins to rise as glory fills the skies. You move in every sound. Your love is all around. The darkness reminding me you're there. Every heartbeat starts to glow. Your light begins to show. Your promise echoes through the sea. Your truth has set me free. Every soul testify. Your name be lifted high. You move in every sound. The darkness fades away as your kingdom lights the day. Glory arise, let heaven reign. Your power breaks every chain, every voice, every soul. You make us whole. Glory arise, let your love shine, eternal and divine. Forever we will praise as glory arise. Let your fire fill this place. Pour out your endless grace. Let the nations sing your name. Forever you remain. Every light reflects your throne. We're never on our own. Heaven's song we raise as glory fills our day. Glory Your light in our eyes. Forever you shine. Glory arise. Eternal glow. The stars are shining in your grace. Your presence fills this place. Every whisper calms my fear. I know that you are near. The night surrenders to your light. Your glory burning bright in every heart that calls your name. Your love remains the same. You shine through every storm. Your light forever warm. Your mercy never fades. In you I'm unafraid. Eternal glow shining inside. You're my peace, my guide. Every heartbeat, every flame, I live to praise your name. Eternal glow, endless and pure. Your love forever sure. Forever I will know your eternal glow. Your truth, your boundless grace. You're the dawn that breaks the night, my everlasting light. All creation sings your name, forever you remain. Your glory overflows the world in your Your eternal Your eternal Eternal glow, shining inside. You're my peace, my guide. Every heartbeat, every flame, I live to praise your name. Eternal glow, endless and pure. Your love forever sure. Forever I will know your eternal glow. Eternal glow. Eternal glow. Eternal Your light ignites my days, my faith ablaze. When the night feels cold and long, your truth becomes my song. Every tear that I have cried, you turn to hope inside. Through the silence you still speak. Your love restores the weak. You lift me higher than before. I'm yours forevermore. In every breath, in every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Through every storm, through every phase, you keep my faith ablaze. Faith ablaze, burning in my soul. Your fire makes ocean waves begin to rise. Your glory lights the skies. Every heart begins to sing, to honor Christ the King. The stars align, the heavens sound. Your spirit all around. Every soul lifts up its voice. In you we all rejoice. Your love's a melody divine. It echoes through all time. Every breath I take is praise and endless days. We worship evermore your name. We adore every heartbeat, every song. To you we belong. We worship evermore your grace. We restore forever. You remain worthy of all Your kingdom moves through every heart. Your glory sets apart. In your presence we are free, alive in victory. The heavens dance with holy fire. Your joy, our one desire. Every voice and every sound. In you our hearts are found. Your love's a melody divine. It echoes through all time. Every breath I take is praise in endless days. We worship evermore your name. We adore every heartbeat, every song. To you we belong. We worship evermore your grace. We restore forever. You remain worthy of all praise. Let your glory fill the air. We know you're everywhere. All creation lifts its hands in your holy plans. Let your spirit fall tonight. Your presence shining bright. Forever we'll proclaim the power of your We worship evermore your name. We adore every heartbeat, every song. To you we belong. We worship evermore your grace. We restore forever. You remain worthy of all praise. We worship evermore, forever yours. Worship evermore. A morning of grace. Your light fills this place. The sky awakens soft and white. Your mercy fills the tide. Every color sings your name. The world will never be the same. You wipe away the tears I've known. You call my heart your own, and every shadow fades away as light begins the day. You peace restores the night. Every wave becomes a song to where I now belong. Your spirit whispers through the breeze and brings my soul to peace. Every heartbeat, every sound, your glory all around. You breathe new life in me, a hope so endlessly with every life in me, a hope so endlessly with every dawn I see. Your grace is lifting me. Morning of grace, you make me new. Every moment points to you. Your love shines through the skies, forever open wide. Morning of grace, I'm standing still, surrounded by your will. Forever I will praise this morning of grace. Let your light rise higher still. Your peace my heart will fill. Every step I walk your way, through every brand new day. You turn my sorrow